is going to be talking about different selection tools, and some of these are going to be review from last week, but it'll be a good review. So our selection tools are kind of in this top box up here. So we have the black selection tool. That's just your typical selection tool. Anything that you grab with this tool, you can grab it at any spot and you'll be able to move it around. You can turn it, stretch it, make it longer, that sort of thing. Now, if you grab, this blue bounding box, that's called a bounding box, that just contains whatever object it is that you're grabbing. You'll notice as I hover over that line, it says path right there. That's because that's the path. And over here at the tip of that is the anchor point. There's another anchor point at the end there. Now if I grab my direct select tool, that's when I can grab my anchor points and I can, you also have to click off to reset it. And then you can grab that other anchor point and move that, adjust that shape or line or whatever to your desired look. We have a magic wand tool. Let me just draw a couple more things up on here. Change up my colors a little bit because I'm going to show you something cool. Looks like confetti, huh? Okay. So a magic wand tool is going to grab based on colors, and this is a terrible example because I don't know why this isn't working. It should be just grabbing colors based on the ones that I pick, but like I said, that's a bad example. Yeah. I'm gonna have to look into that. I'm very sorry. Anyways, I'll move on. Lasso tool means that you can like draw an area that you want to select and it'll just select those lines. So that's what that one's all about. Okay, selection tools, done. Now I want to talk about the pen tool. This whole program, let me clear my page here. This whole program is built around this pen tool. So this is going to be a tool that you'll want to get to know and love very well. A pen tool allows you to create custom lines based on where you click. It just adds a new anchor point each time. Now nested underneath here, because of course if we have the little triangle on the bottom right hand corner, we have tools that are nested below. So I can add more anchor points onto a path that's already created. And so if I grab my direct select tool, the white tool, then I can adjust that and continue to modify the shape, the line I've made. At any time I can also delete any of those anchor points if they're ones I decide that I don't need, like so. The convert an anchor point tool means that I can take any of these anchor points, and if I click and hold and like kind of slide it out, now I have handlebars. Which again, if I go back to the direct select tool, I can adjust the arc of that line using the handlebars. So pen tool, I'm going to show you a couple more things with pen tool in just a moment. And I guess that's all for right now. So stay tuned.